You're recording?
Yep.
Video diaries, day number 2. Things been pretty average, to be honest. We're here in the redwood forest. Pretty sweet. We're going to see some big trees. But yesterday, it rained a lot. And if you have seen Forrest Gump, you will know how many types of rain there are. There's rain that comes down lightly, and there's rain that comes horizontally, and there's rain that comes in the window, and there's rain that drips in your head when you're fucking sleeping. And so, luckily, in my sleep, an Indian spirit came to me and taught me how to do a rain dance. So I'm going to get rid of this shit. Are you guys ready? So cross your fingers, and I reckon in about 25 minutes we should be sweet. See ya.